Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you an idea of what it would be like to transfer your PowerPoint presentation onto your Google site by yourself. So if you didn't get it done by Friday afternoon, just follow these steps and you should be successful. So first of all, you've got your PowerPoint, and if you're just going to upload it as a PowerPoint, you need to make sure it's less than 20 slides, because they won't accept anything that is greater than 20, or they won't look at the 21st slide. They'll just look at slides 1 through 20. Secondly, if you're going to use this as a PowerPoint, you want to make sure it's saved as a PPT file. That's the extension, and that format is the 1997 to 2004 presentation. If you have it saved as a PPTX, save as and change it to PPT. Okay? And we'll talk about if you have any. I'm assuming that this PowerPoint has no sound, that you're just using text boxes to explain whatever you would have had for voiceover. So if you did say, people get frustrated when they're with Google trying to finish their science fair, you need to just type that in. That's if you want to get rid of all the sound, but you still want people to understand what your slideshow is about. So you save that, and then now you're ready to upload it to your Google Docs page. So I've already logged in, but let's just pretend we're not logged in and we're just at Google. You sign in to your account on the upper right-hand side, and you go to More, click on More, and go to Documents. You're not going to go to your site yet. First, you're going to upload this presentation in Google Docs. And when you're in this view, you'll see in the upper left-hand corner a button that says Upload. Click on that button, and then you are ready to select files to upload. Now I'm using a Mac, so if you're on a PC, it'll look a little bit different, but you just browse to where your file is saved. And it's important that you click a few things. One is that these two boxes are checked, that it's in English and not Bulgarian, and that your PowerPoint is set to public on the web. And be sure to let your parents know that you're going to be publishing something public to the web. You should take off any name on your PowerPoint. They already know, Google already knows who you are, so no names on the PowerPoint. And then you just click Start Upload, and depending upon the length and time of your the speed of your internet, it will load. And when it's completely loaded, you'll get this green check mark. And now I can just click on Documents again. And Google does this thing where it opens up a new tab or a new window. So you have a ton of pages open at the same time. And now you'll see, here it is inside my Google Documents. Now I click on that so I can see it, and if I made a mistake, or if there's something that didn't transfer over well, you can always say, oh, I don't want that graduation person there, or I want to add some things. You have all the basic tools. You can bold, you can insert slides, you can insert text boxes, and so forth. So then when you've got it all changed and saved the way you want, make sure you save it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get the embed code, because that's what you're going to put on your website. So on the right-hand corner, there's something called Share. You click on that arrow, and the last choice is Publish Embed. Click on that, and it'll say, well, this document isn't published yet. So the first thing you want to do is publish the document. And then you'll get this screen, and at the bottom, you'll have this embed code. So I'm going to copy this HTML code, highlight it first, copy it. Then I'm going to go to my website, my Google website. And this is my fake Google Science Fair website. I'm going to click on the summary page, and here I'm going to go to edit page. Now I was already playing around with this, so I already inserted it, but what it probably looks like to you is it'll say something like embed your code here or something like that. All you need to do is delete that, and you just can't simply paste the code. You have to go to this HTML source tab first. Click on that HTML, and you should see a bunch of gobbledygook. If you don't see a lot of writing, cancel, click in the middle, click HTML again. Then click your mouse at the bottom of all this code, paste the code for the slideshow, and click update. And then you can see it's here. When I click save, I can actually view my slideshow. And this is how your judges will be viewing it. Now let's say you do want sound in your presentation. Well, what you can do is you can go up to File. I don't know if you can see this, it might be off the screen, but you're going to go to File and Save as a Movie. And what it will do is it will save it as a .mov file. Now that should save the sound. In some cases it hasn't, so this is a really kind of a dodgy option. Hopefully it will work for you. We'll test mine out. I'm going to click and save that on the desktop as an MOV file. And then I'm going to need to upload that movie file to YouTube. Now this requires that you have a YouTube account, and if you don't have a YouTube account, you can't do this. I don't want you creating a YouTube account or using your private YouTube. Actually, you can use your private account as long as you get permission from your parents. So I'm going to upload that video. It should be an MOV file. Actually, I'm going to first create sound and see if it works. I'll just put some music in there. Okay, perfect. So let me move that out of the way. Let's see if I want to move. Okay. So this should play automatically when I run my slideshow. So I'm just going to save that. Then I'm going to go to File, Save as Movie, because I made some changes, replace the old document. Okay, now let's see how that uploads to YouTube. And I have to make this public so everybody can see it. And now I have the same embed code. I'm going to copy that embed code. I am going to go back to my Google Docs. My Google website, and I'm going to embed that code, edit the page, and make sure that I'm obviously taking this out and going to the HTML tab and pasting that code. So I'm going to save it, and let's see if we get any sound. Oh, I see. It jumps to, let's see if it plays on this. Yeah, see, I'm still not getting sound. So I think the best way for you to upload your PowerPoint is through the method I just taught. Good luck!